Okay, guys, let's get started. So, I welcome you all to this Microsoft Intune training session. Now, in this one, I'm going to discuss about this Microsoft Intune. So, what is this product? What all things you can do using this product? And we will give you the historical background of this Microsoft Intune, when this product started from Microsoft, and we will discuss about the architectural diagram of this product, and we'll discuss about licensing part. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. I have somewhere around 15 years of practical IT experience. I work as architect. My primary roles and responsibility is to design and implement technologies for organization. And apart from my day-to-day implementation task, I am involved in training, wherein I have trained more than 40,000 students globally. I have expertise on various platforms like SCCM, Intune, Active Directory, Azure, PowerShell, application packaging, Microsoft 365. I have completed my master's in information technology, and I am a certified Microsoft professional. Here is my email address and website address. So that's about me, guys. Let me take you to the next slide, which talks about Microsoft Intune. Now, Microsoft Intune is a Microsoft product. Now, what do we do with this product? What all things we can do using Intune? So basically, we can do MDM, mobile device management, and mobile application management. You can manage your devices and applications. Now, this product released by Microsoft in the year 2010. In the year 2010, this was released by Microsoft, and this was going okay from 2010 to 2019. 2010 to 2019, this was going okay. But after 2019, when COVID started, after COVID-19, what happened? This accelerated the implementation. Everywhere we have Intune now. Almost all big size and medium size organization you will find Intune. So till 2000, from 2029 to, I mean, 2019 to 2025, this is now moving like a monster now. Okay. Wherever you go, you will find Intune all over the places. Almost all big size and medium size organization, they are using this one to manage their enterprise devices. So suppose you have an organization, let's say HCL Private Limited. In that organization, you have like 200,000 devices, 2 lakh devices all over the globe. So using Intune, you can control these devices. Intune will be able to manage these devices. You can supply policies, you can supply configuration, you can deploy updates, you can deploy applications, you can format the device, right? You can deploy application policies, device inventory, device wipe, application push, configuration. Similarly, you can deploy application related configuration. You can manage these types of devices, which are like Windows devices, Windows 10 and Windows 11, MacBook, Android, iPhone, Windows Phone plus Linux devices. So using Intune, you can do two things: manage device management and device application management. You can manage device application like Outlook policy. You can define how Outlook will open, what will happen with the data of that product. So all applications and devices you can manage from Intune. That's the main reason why we need Intune in our organization. Now suppose you are working as an Intune administrator. Let's say you are in Mumbai. So you are in Mumbai and you are working as Intune administrator. You can control all the devices, whether the devices are in Sydney or Toronto or Dubai or Paris or California, Berlin, New York, Chennai, London, Mumbai. You have like 20,000 devices in Mumbai, 10,000 devices in London, 5,000 devices, 3,000 devices. So in your organization, you have one branch, one headquarter and multiple branch offices, right? So as Intune administrator, you can deploy policies to your devices. no matter where the devices are located, as long as they have internet connectivity. You can deploy application policy, you can deploy device level policy, you can deploy application, you can deploy updates, you can format device, factory reset device, you can reset device, you can reset password. There are many policies you can deploy. You can block camera, you can block Bluetooth, you can block USB. Okay, all these things you can do it from Mumbai itself, from wherever you are located, either in Mumbai or London or anywhere. You don't have to go travel to any location as long as the devices are enrolled into Intune. So as Intune administrator, you will have complete control of the devices, whether it is Windows devices, right? Windows 10 or Windows 11 or MacBook or Android or Windows Phone or iPhone. Plus, you can manage Linux devices as well. So that is the reason we need Intune to control all the devices. Suppose somebody lost his device in Toronto. He lost his device, right? So you can initiate the wipe command from here and the device will get wiped out. Suppose I need to deploy Microsoft Office application on 10,000 devices in London. I can deploy from here. I need to deploy Google Chrome to 20,000 devices in Mumbai. I can deploy from Intune portal. I need to upgrade the machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. All the New York machines, 3,000 machines are there. We need to upgrade it from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So we can do it from Intune. I need to block camera, block screenshot, block copy paste. All those things you can do it from Intune. Now, how Intune is designed by Microsoft. So let's understand Intune is basically designed on Microsoft Azure platform. Microsoft Azure is what? It's a public data center. On that data center, Intune is running. So this data center is present in almost more than 60 countries now. More than 60 countries, this Azure data center is present. Okay, whether you are in India or outside India, you will find data center almost everywhere. Now, if you create your Intune account, basically your account will get created to the nearest location. Suppose you are in India, your account is going to get created in India Central or India South. Similarly, if you are in Australia, your account will get created in Australia East or Australia Southeast. Similarly, those who are in US, so whatever the closest location data center is available, the account will get created there. So as Intune administrator, when your account is not your account, but basically your organization account will get created, and then you start enrolling your devices, all the devices, whatever the devices you have, you start enrolling the devices, and then you start managing those devices from Intune portal. Now, what is data center? Some of you guys do not know what is data center. Data center is like a big building, and inside that building you will have multiple floors, right? This is the outside view of the data center. This is the outside view of the data center. Now in multiple floors you have um, for example, these first floor and second floor is for Intune. Dedicated Intune services are running on the first floor and the second floor. Let's assume that one. Okay, so first floor and second floor is dedicated for Intune services. Now this is the outside view of the data center. Let me take you to the inside view of the data center. So inside view, you will have containers like this. You will have containers, as you see, these are the containers. Inside these containers, you have racks. These are the racks where high configured servers are located. These are high configured servers, and they are basically Intune services are running here. When you create your account gets created in these servers, high configured servers. And server has a network connection, as you see, network connection and power connection. So these containers are powered with the electricity, plus it will have internet connection so that you can connect to this data center through Intune portal, right? So this is what? This is a container. Inside this container, in one container, you may have like In one container, you may have like 500 servers. Okay, 500 servers. So combination of many containers is called Azure Service Fabric Cluster. So combination of, for example, 1000 containers. Okay, combination of 1000 container is what? It will have, for example, 500,000 high configured servers. And the combination of many containers is called Azure Service Fabric Cluster. Azure Service Fabric Cluster. So in that cluster, in one cluster, you will have like 500,000 devices, servers, or more than 500,000 servers, right? So basically, Intune services are running on Azure Service Fabric Cluster. In every data center, you have this Azure Service Fabric Cluster. And Intune services are running in the cluster itself, wherein you will have thousands and thousands of high configured servers. So that is the inside view of the data center. Now let's see the Intune architecture, how Intune is designed by Microsoft. So Microsoft has designed Intune. um, Basically what you have to do, you don't have to install anything in your organization, in your office premises. Everything is going to be in cloud. You just create your subscription and you are good to go. You will get web console access, Intune access. And from that web console, you connect to your Intune services in the backend. So you configure devices or protect data or manage applications. You have integration with Microsoft other products. Intune has integration with Microsoft Entra ID portal. Intune has integration with SCCM through co-management. Intune has integration with Microsoft 365 Admin Center. It has integration with Microsoft Defender. It has integration with Play Store, Apple Play Store, Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, Google Cloud, Managed Google Play app. So there are various products which are already integrated in Intune. You can manage your mobile Windows devices like Windows 10, Windows 11, MacBook, Android, iOS, iPad, Linux. These devices you can manage. Plus, you can manage applications. Mobile application you can manage from Intune. You can deploy updates to your devices to upgrade your devices from Windows 10 to Windows 11, right? Or from old version of Windows 10 to the latest version of Windows 10. So this is all done by Microsoft. You don't have to do anything. It is a SaaS architecture. SaaS means software as a service. Just like Gmail, you suppose if you have to create your Gmail account, you don't have to install any server. You just go to Google and create your account. Similarly, you just go to Microsoft Intune portal and create your account, and that's it. You start utilizing this product. The only thing is you will have to pay for it. It's not free product. You will have to make payment to Microsoft monthly basis or yearly basis. Okay, so this is the architecture, high level architecture designed by Microsoft. Now when you will do the practical, then you will get more clear picture how to manage devices, how to deploy configuration policy, right? How to protect data, how to deploy application. Then you will get more clear picture how this architecture is designed. Now Intune, why Intune? Why not its competitors? Let's understand why we should learn Intune uh, when it comes to manage mobile devices and manage mobile applications. Why Intune is the best option for you to learn? I'll tell you because Intune has its competitors. No doubt it has some competitors. For example, Mobile Iron, Workspace ONE, IBM 360, Citrix, Jamfro, Tanium, Xnode, BlackBerry, SOTI, Cisco. But these are focusing only on Android and iOS devices. But Intune manages Windows 10, Windows 11. Intune can manage MacBook. Intune can manage Android devices and iOS devices, iPhone, iPad. You can manage Android TV, Android devices. Plus, you can manage Linux devices. Okay. So basically, Intune has capability to manage Windows 10, Windows 11 laptops, desktops, virtual machines, MacBook, Android, iOS, Linux devices. Because of this feature, Windows 10 and Windows 11, Intune is on the number one leading product in the market when it comes to manage devices and manage applications. After COVID-19, people started working from home and they are using their laptops. So it was very difficult to manage Windows devices during COVID season, right? People were working from home and we did not have option to manage the devices. SCCM was there, Microsoft SCCM. That is also a Microsoft product. But SCCM was facing a lot of challenges because SCCM is designed for on-premises devices, not for cloud devices, not for internet devices. So Intune came as a savior. Intune started managing devices, all the devices over the internet, and that is the reason people are moving towards Intune. Those who were using this third party products, they are also moving towards Intune from these competitors. So it is moving like a monster, and almost all big size and medium size organization, they have implemented to manage their devices. So Intune has like 40% of market share. So almost everywhere you will find Intune. So that is the reason you have good vacancies for Intune, good salary for Intune. Okay. So these are the competitors. Now, why Intune is the best choice for organization? Why not these competitors? Point number one, it is easy to deploy. You don't have to implement any server. You just create your account, that's it. Then it has integration with various Microsoft products. So everything is already integrated. You just enable the feature to start using it. Unified management. So in one umbrella, you have option to manage devices, application, non-Microsoft application devices as well, like Mac, Android, iPhone, and all. It's a SaaS-based architecture. You don't have to install anything in your office premises. Everything is in cloud, and it works on the internet. That's the best part. You don't need a LAN network. You don't need to ask your employees to come to the office premises to get Intune policies and all. Next, the main important point is it is very cheap. It costs you somewhere around $8 per user per month. So for Microsoft customers, it is um, very cheap. Okay, that is the reason people are moving towards this one, and it has many features um, where its competitors do not have those features, right? Cross-platform, sorry, cross-platform support. It has support to manage Android, iPhone, iOS, Linux devices, MacBook, and all, apart from Windows. Automations are there, right? Remote work enablement. Your employees can work from anywhere. They don't need to come to office. Comprehensive device management. There are n number of things, thousands of policies you can deploy from Intune to manage your devices. Security policies and compliance. You can identify whether the device is compliant or non-compliant. Configuration profile. Application management. You have complete application life cycle, when application deployment, application retirement, application upgrade, right? So all those things are available in this one. Conditional access, you can give access only on certain condition. If the device is compliant, give access, otherwise remove access. If the user is outside India, do not give access. There are various conditions which we can define. Location based condition, compliance based, device based condition, and all. It has more feature than its competitors. Simplified enrollment and provisioning, updates and innovation. So these things are present in Intune. That is the reason people are moving towards Intune. Now, why you should learn Intune? because it is a matured technology. It is there in the market for the past 15 years. It is present in almost all big size and medium size organization. That is the reason you have good vacancies and good salary. People are earning somewhere around $50 per hour in US, Canada, Australia, outside India. If you are in India, then it's gonna be 800,000 Indian rupees, 8 lakh per annum average salary. Some of my students are getting $80 per hour. Some of my students in India, they are getting 20 lakh, 25 lakhs per annum. But for that, you have to have good experience, at least minimum 5, 6 years or 8 years of experience. Then you start getting this kind of salary. So anyone from IT or non-IT background can easily learn this one. The minimum qualification is graduate. You need to be a graduate, any BCom graduate or arts graduate or science graduate, that's not a problem. At least graduate, and anyone from IT or non-IT background can easily learn this one. Why? Because you don't need to learn any coding languages. You don't need to learn Python or Java or C, C++, Oracle. No, you just, everything is GUI based. You just follow some steps to achieve your task. So no coding languages are required, no programming languages are required. Now all the things are available online. In case if you are facing some challenges or some steps are required, just Google it out or go to Chat GPT, you will get the resources. And you have good career path in this one. You can make your career as L1 engineer, L2, then L3, and then architect. So you have good salary, good vacancies. So it is good option for you to make your career in this one. Now Intune needs license. You will have to have a license. Without license, you cannot use this product. So you need Microsoft 365 license or a standalone license or enterprise mobility plus security. Okay. These are three options available for you to take. Generally, organizations, they are using this license to mm, use Intune plus other Microsoft products. Now, in our training, when we start from tomorrow, today is the demo session. This is just an introduction session wherein I am just giving you overview what is this product all about and how the training will be conducted. So this is the course content URL, tinyurl.com/Intune SYL. So this is the short form of syllabus SYL, right? So that's the link. If you enter that link in your browser, you will be able to get the course curriculum. Now in our training, we will do theory plus practical with log analysis. We'll do practical. Each one of you, you will have to have a lab, and we'll do practical lab. I'll give you assignment, and that will be real time scenario. Okay. So that you can, when you join any organization, you will get similar task. So you will not have issues when you join any organization, because in our training you will get exposure of real time scenarios as well. So theory plus practical, assignment, real time scenario based examples. Then if you would like to take exam after this training, then this is the exam. MD102 is the exam code, and you become Endpoint Administrator Associate after taking this exam. So after the training, if you are interested to take the exam, then that's the code MD102, and the exam cost is 4,865. That is, you will have to pay to Microsoft, okay, to pass this exam. I mean, to take this exam. So that I'll help you how to pass this exam after the training. um, I will help you with this one as well. Now, what all things are included in this training? So you are gonna get um, daily recording. So you will get the session will get recorded every day, right? And you will get the recording. I'll create one WhatsApp group, and in that WhatsApp group, I'll be sending the recording daily basis. Then Intune's study materials, sample resume, interview question and answers, exam dumps, and course completion certificate. These things you are going to get in the training, okay, um, after the course is completed. Now, you need to do practical. Every day we will do theory plus practical. So in practical, you need to have a laptop or a computer, anything, either it's a laptop or a desktop. And on that machine, either you need to have Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system or MacBook. Minimum 8 GB RAM is required for logical processor and 100 GB free hard disk. That is your minimum requirement. You need to have it on your computer. Either it's a laptop or a desktop. You also need to have a Visa or Master credit card or debit card, and you need to have a Android or iOS mobile phone for Intune lab setup. Okay. Basically, what we are going to do, we will create one virtual machine here, Windows 10 virtual machine or Windows 11, and we will enroll that into Intune. So we will manage this machine, the virtual machine from Intune. We'll deploy policies and applications and updates to the virtual machine and iPhone so that we can test how the deployment happens in organization. So that's the lab setup, guys. Any question from anyone so far? You can unmute yourself and speak up.
Nothing, Kashif, as of now.
Very good, Kashif. Thank you.
Hello, Kashif. I would like to know how long the program is going to be for.
Okay, so the training we
Yes.
are starting from tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow 9 a.m. India time,
Okay.
9 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Okay.
Sir, one more question, please.
Which wait a minute. Which time zone you are in?
I'm in Central Time.
Central time. So that is gonna be 9:30 p.m. I think. No?
Yeah.
Central time, 9:30 p.m. to
Yeah.
10:30 p.m. Central time. So India time 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Daily basis, Monday to Friday. So Monday
Okay.
to Friday. That will be Sunday to Thursday for you because you are in US, right? So
Yes.
Sunday to Thursday. So Monday to Friday, we will be doing the session, and it is gonna take daily 1 hour session. We will do daily 1 hour session, and it's gonna take 45 days to finish all the topics.
Oh,
Okay,
wow. Okay.
45 days. Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, we
Gotcha.
are going to take Saturday, Sunday. We will not have session. Um, a total maximum 35 sessions will be there. Okay,
Okay. Gotcha.
35 sessions, 35 hours training is there. Okay, any question?
No, that's
Yes,
fine for
sir.
me. Thanks.
Yes, sir, one more question.
Hmm.
So, I want to know that when the Intune comes in the market after 2019 or after COVID?
No, no, no. Intune started from 2010. Okay,
2000
from
But
2010 to
mhm,
2019, it was going okay. People were utilizing it, but very in less popular at that time. But after
okay,
COVID-19, it started. It's giving some trouble. 1 minute. So after COVID-19, what happened? People started utilizing it all over the places. Got it?
mhm, okay.
because
Yeah.
of the work from home situation. That's why.
Yes, yes, hybrid and work from home situation. So it was very difficult to manage it. People were facing a lot of challenges to manage devices when people were working from home. So Intune came as a savior. Okay. Yes. Any other question?
Are you going to train us both on SCCM and Intune at the same time, or it is a separate one?
No, no. SCCM is a, a different session altogether. In if you need to know about the course outline, so here it is, tinyurl.com/Intune syllabus. In that one, let me take you to the course outline itself. 1 minute. Copy, and I'm gonna open that one. Okay, so in this one, you have the details about this training, what all things are gonna be covered in this one. So we will start from scratch, wherein we'll discuss about Intune, then information on Intune versus SCCM, then Intune lab setup, Microsoft Entra ID and admin console. There are um, various types of device join, like Entra ID join, Entra ID hybrid join, then registered devices, multi-factor authentication, right? All these things we are going to cover in this one. Then we will discuss about domain and verification, then bring BYOD, Windows Autopilot, ADMX template. Will deploy application using various methods. Then we'll deploy updates, Windows 10 to Windows 11. Then we'll deploy Windows Autopilot pre-provisioning, right? Enrollment status page, tenant administration, Windows Auto Patch, co-management. Yes, SCCM co-management is there, but not SCCM, complete SCCM, because that is another 45 hours training, complete SCCM. So we are not
I
doing
asked this
SCCM
question.
on this one. Hmm?
I asked this question because one of my friend told me that Intune and SCCM are now combined in a single platform. That is the reason I asked it.
No, no, no. Intune is a different product. SCCM is a different product. You can manage Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices using SCCM and Intune together. They are not combined, but you can manage devices using SCCM and Intune together. That is called co-management. So that we are going to cover in this training. Okay. So I'll be showing you how to manage Linux devices, how to manage MacBook, iPhone, Android, iPad. So those things we are going to see in our training. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Kashif,
Mm-hmm.
uh, you don't have this thing yet. I mean the SCCM or MECM training coming up.
Right now, after this Intune being implemented all over the places, so we have less vacancies for Intune. I mean SCCM, less vacancies for SCCM, and that is the reason I'm not getting requirements, training requirements. If I get people, I will start SCCM training. That's not a problem. I teach SCCM and Intune both.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah, but what about Office 365? Do you have some training there?
No, not Office. I don't teach Office 365, but in Intune, we will be covering little bit Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Microsoft Entra will also be covered little bit. Okay. So in
Okay.
our training, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Entra, and we will discuss about Microsoft Security Portal. That is Defender. Microsoft Security is what? Defender. So in our Intune training, we'll cover complete Intune and plus some of the topics of these things, because these things are already integrated here. So we'll cover a little bit of these things as well. Okay.
Okay.
And little bit SCCM as well. Okay. Any other
Sure.
question from anyone?
What about the exam?
Exam is MD 102. If you would like to take the exam, you let me know. I'll help you pass the exam. Okay.
Yeah, I will need it. I need it. Remember, I hope you still remember me, right?
What is your name? Sorry.
Fidelis.
Fidelis. Yeah, you have taken training from my end, right?
That's correct.
You have taken SCCM training.
No, I took the Intune one.
Oh, Intune
I,
one
I
itself.
also I requested for the
Exam.
SCCM. You said you didn't have a
Now,
student to for.
yeah, so I started SCCM, but at that time um, I think you did not receive that notification from my end, I think. So I did
You,
SCCM couple of
you-
sessions.
yeah, you
If you
told
are
me that you were going to inform me when it starts, but I waited. I didn't see any notification.
Yeah, so I missed to send you the notification. So if people are ready for SCCM, I'll definitely let you know. Give me a couple of days, okay? I'll
Yeah,
let you know.
yeah, because they see a huge market of it here in the US. So they see a lot. I mean, most organizations, they always go hand in hand Intune and SCCM because they still a lot of companies are still making good use with their on-prem environment. So they still
Okay.
need it. When it comes to bare metal deployment,
Mm,
Intune doesn't do that. So
mm, right.
yeah,
Okay, we'll do that. Don't worry.
okay, no problem.
Any other question from anyone?
Kashyap, one thing. So you told like you're going to send the recordings in a good WhatsApp group, right? So at
Mm.
what time you're going to share? Because I am a working guy, so the conflict like the meetings. I'm working in Australia shift, so same time I have some meetings also. So that's why I'm asking.
So session is starting at 9 a.m., right?
Yes,
9
correct.
a.m. tomorrow, 9 a.m. So session will go from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So 1 hour
Mm-hmm.
session we will do.
Mm-hmm.
After like 1 hour, probably
Mm-hmm.
11 o'clock,
Mm-hmm.
I'll be able to share the recording. So, but for that you will have to enroll to the course, okay, to get the training recorded sessions. So if you are interested to continue with this training from tomorrow onwards, you need to reach me on my WhatsApp saying that you are
Mm-hmm.
ready to enroll and make payment. This is not that the session will be recorded for the enrolled students only.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I'll contact you. Like
Yes.
I'll ping you in WhatsApp group.
Okay, sure. Any
So
other question?
when can I reach you for the exam?
You just message me right now. I will let you know, okay? So that I remember.
Okay, no problem.
Mm. Any other question from anyone?
No question. I think good.
Okay, so tomorrow we are starting Intune session at 9 a.m. Those who are interested, kindly reach me on this number saying that you are interested so that I will let you know the enrollment process. So you do enroll to this session and start attending the session from tomorrow onwards. Okay.
Sure, Kashyap. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys. Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.